information from Kiara is Guimaras is an independent province na siya.
It used to be a sub-province.
Yes.
But now it's its own province.
What is the population of Guimaras?
Population is 3,450. 343,700 people. Very small. Ano, actually, madami na yan. It's already big. Marami na yan. It's half the regions. It's for the province, for the whole
Backyard,
province.
ang villages, Guimaras is so big. And the sites are away from each other.
The population density.
Dapat may
distributing.
sakyan ka
Yun
talaga.
yung reason. Kasi therefore,
Oh, may
it's so big.
jeep naman, oh. California Resort. Oh my
6 kilometers.
Ayan, before pala ng lighthouse, doon na yung beach na sikat.
Oh, ano, California Resort.
How far yung kanya?
Hindi ko masabi eh. Parang 4 kilometers yung beach. Then another 4 yung lighthouse.
We did just cross Rovina. We're now approaching the coastal road. We're in. There are beaches like the Giwad Gate. Oh, the lighthouse is there.
Saan? Malapit na?
Along ano pala siya? Tama siya. Along the shoreline siya.
Hindi ko madaanan din yung ano eh, Alubihod Beach para first.
Alibon din is the opposite side. The Poblacion pala. Hindi mo nakarating ng Poblacion. We're entering the Poblacion.
Mati, ma, you're looking at the map the wrong way. Dapat din sa poblasyon.
Hindi ko pala tayo nagaling dito.
Kaya nga, we just passed by it. We're out of the developed
No, we
area.
came from there, provincial capital. We came to the provincial capital. We're entering here. We go to the lighthouse.
Yeah, but poblasyon is like back there.
Yung poblasyon yung may kapitolyo siguro may.
Hindi siya.
Huh?
Kasi baka ito poblasyon din. Baka kasi, if it's a municipality, then this is a
I don't
municipality.
see a poblasyon in my map.
Nueva Vizcaya Town Hall, Valencia. So that's the poblacion of Nueva Vizcaya. Ang Nueva Vizcaya.
Why did you call it poblasyon?
Because each municipality has a poblacion. So this is the municipality of Nueva Valencia, where the Alhud Beach is.
Kala ko the intergiman is a municipality.
Ano province siya? A province with municipality.
But the biggest poblasyon is was behind us.